Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue with exercise 17A from chapter circles. So starting with question number 36, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral in which AB is parallel to DC and AB is the diameter of the circle. Given angle BED is 65 degrees, calculate first part angle DAB and second part angle BDC. You're given this diagram. Okay, now I'll write down the given and to find part first and then we'll start with the solution. It's very easy. Given quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, you have to write down the full word. AB is parallel to DC. Okay. And AB is the diameter of the circle. And also angle BED is equal to 65 degrees. Now we have to find two angles. Angle DAB first part and second part angle BDC. First तो बहुत easy है, DAB find करना है. Okay, now we are given one angle का measurement, that is angle BED. BED का measurement दिया हुआ है. Okay, now if you notice angle DAB and BED both are the angle of same segment. DAB, okay, this is the angle that we have to find and it is subtended by this arc. DAB is on the circumference of the circle. Notice the angles that you have to find and the angles that you are given carefully. DAB is lying on the circumference of the circle and is subtended by this arc. ये वाला arc DCB, ठीक है? So DCB. Now, यही arc DCB is subtending one more angle DEB on the circumference of the circle. If both the angles are subtended by same arc or by same chord on the circumference of the circle, then both the angles are equal. So, angle BED and angle DAB both are equal. So, BED 65 degrees है, DAB भी 65 degrees होगा. It's very easy. Now, DAB easily मिल जाएगा. BDC. Angle BDC, that is what we have to find. Now BDC, ये arc में कोई दूसरा angle है नहीं. Okay, there is no angle in this arc BC, there is only this one angle. Okay, now BDC is not even the angle of this quadrilateral. Okay, ये सिर्फ एक part है angle का. Okay, it is not the whole angle of the quadrilateral. So we would have used the property. Now BDC, ध्यान से देखो, DC हम लोग को दिया है parallel to AB. ठीक है, here we are given AB is parallel to DC. So ये दोनों parallel है. So if I find this angle, then I can find this angle. Alternate angles का property. So ये find करना है. I can find this if I can find this DBA. Now BDC के लिए मुझे DBA find करना पड़ेगा. DBA के लिए I'll consider the triangle DBA. Okay, because I just found angle DAB. DAB मिल जाएगा, ठीक है. ADB, that also I can find. AB is the diameter of the circle I'm given and diameter subtends right angle on the circumference of the circle. ADB is on the circumference of the circle. So the angle subtended by the diameter on the circumference is always 90 degrees. So ये 90 degrees हो जाएगा. I have not drawn it properly. Okay. So ये 90 degrees हो जाएगा. ये angle मिल गया, ये angle मिल गया. Third angle मैं find कर सकती हूँ. DBA मिल जाएगा. DBA मिल जाएगा तो BDC मिल जाएगा. So it's very easy. Okay, so now let us start with the solution. नाउ फर्स्ट फाइंड करना है एंगल DAB. DAB and BED both are the angles of same segment, so we'll write down the measurement of angle BED first. Angle BED is 65 degrees. This is given to us. You can write down given, okay, for reason. Now BED है and DAB, so we'll write down that angle BED is equal to angle DAB, angles of same segment, okay. Or you can write down angle BED and angle DAB are subtended by the same arc DCB on the circumference of the circle. You can add this as well, okay. I've not added that statement, so you can just add that statement. Angle BED and DAB are subtended by same arc DCB on the circumference of the circle, therefore these angles are equal, okay. Now ये एक मिल गया, so DAB is equal to 65 degrees, ठीक है. We got first part. Now BDC फाइंड करना है. सेकेंड पार्ट पे आते हैं. सेकेंड पार्ट में BDC फाइंड करना है. BDC मैं फाइंड कर सकती हूँ यूजिंग ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स का प्रॉपर्टी. BDC ओके यहाँ पे मैं सर्कल्स का भी प्रॉपर्टी यूज़ नहीं कर सकती. दिस एंगल इज़ नॉट इवन कंप्लीट एंगल कि हम लोग क्वाड्रिलैटरल का प्रॉपर्टी यूज़ कर सकें. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी आर गोइंग टू यूज़ दिस ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स का प्रॉपर्टी. इफ आई फाइंड दिस एंगल आई कैन फाइंड दिस एंगल, ओके. दीज टू एंगल्स विल बी इक्वल because we are given AB and DC are parallel, so therefore angle BDC and angle DBA both are equal, okay. Now I can find this angle using the triangle का property, using triangle ADB, okay. I know one angle DAB. ADB मुझे find करना है. ADB I can find easily because I know AB is the diameter. So we'll start with this AB part, okay. We'll find both the angles of the triangle, then the third angle, and then angle BDC, okay. So AB is the diameter of the circle. Angle ADB is subtended by diameter AB on circumference of the circle. Therefore angle ADB is equal to 90 degrees. You can write down angle of semicircle. Even if you don't write, it's a sufficient reason. ये जो statement लिखा है that is sufficient reason, okay. Now angle ADB is 90 degrees. I have angle DAB that is 65 degrees. I can easily find the third angle using SOMAT property. Sum of measures of angles of triangles is 180 degrees. So let us consider triangle ADB. Angle DAB we know is 65 degrees and angle ADB is 90 degrees. Angle DAB plus angle ADB plus angle DBA is equal to 180 degrees. SOMAT property you are supposed to write full statement. SOMAT नहीं लिखना है. Sum of measures of angles of triangles is 180 degrees. Substituting the value 65 degrees plus 90 degrees plus angle DBA is equal to 180 degrees. ये हो जाएगा 155. So angle DBA is equal to 180 minus 155. So this gives 25 degrees. Angle DBA मिल गया. Angle DBA and angle BDC both are congruent, so we need to give reason for that AB and DC are parallel and with the transversal DB they are forming alternate angles, Okay, so now let us write that down. Now AB is parallel to DC. This is given to us with transversal DB. ओके, दो पैरेलल लाइंस है, एक ट्रांसवर्सल है, ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स फॉर्म हो रहा है. Z मतलब ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स, F मतलब करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स एंड C मतलब इंटीरियर एंगल्स. सो देयरफॉर एंगल DBA is equal to angle BDC alternate angles. फुल वर्ड लिखना है. Now DBA का value we got 25 degrees, so angle BDC is also equal to 25 degrees. Therefore angle BDC is 25 degrees. So it's very easy. Okay. Moving on to next question. Question number 37. In the given figure, AB is the diameter of the circle. Chord ED is parallel to AB and angle EAB is equal to 63 degrees. Calculate first part angle EBA and second part angle BCD. You are given the diagram, okay, and this is the given information. So we'll write down given and to find part first, and then we'll start with the solution. So given में first thing is AB is the diameter of the circle. Chord ED is parallel to AB. Okay, and angle EAB is equal to 63 degrees. Angle EAB. To find first part angle EBA and second part angle BCD. Now how will we find angle EBA? फर्स्ट पार्ट पे पहले फोकस कर दे. एंगल EBA फाइंड करना है. ओके, नाउ वी आर गिवन एंगल EAB. EAB दिया हुआ है, EBA फाइंड करना है. व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू? वी आर गोइंग टू कंसिडर द ट्रायंगल. EAB दिया है and we are told that AB is the diameter, मतलब angle AEB will be 90 degrees. I know EAB, I know AEB, I can easily find angle EBA. Okay, let me draw the triangle. It is like this, EAB. This is the diameter. So angle subtended by the diameter on the circumference of the circle is always 90 degrees. So ये 90 हो जाएगा. EAB I am given 63 degrees. EBA find करना है. I know two angles of the triangle. I can easily find the third angle using Somat property. Okay. So ये मिल जाएगा. First part is very easy. Second part angle BCD. BCD ये find करना है. Now BCD, ये angle is a part of this cyclic quadrilateral. Notice carefully, it is not mentioned in the given, but diagram से पता चलता है. DCBE, all these points are lying on the circumference of the circle. All the vertices are lying on the circumference of the circle. B, C, D and E. ठीक है, ये है. And all the vertices are lying on the circumference. मतलब this is a cyclic quadrilateral. And BCD is one of the angles of this cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. So BCD I can find if I know the opposite angle. Using opposite angles a supplementary वाला property. So BCD का opposite angle is DEB. DEB क्या मैं फाइंड कर सकती हूँ? DEB, yes. नोटिस द गिवन पार्ट. EAB हम लोग ने यूज कर लिया. ED पैरेलल टू AB, वी हैव नॉट यूटिलाइज दैट इंफॉर्मेशन. डायमीटर वाला भी हम लोग ने इंफॉर्मेशन यूज किया यहाँ पे. EAB वाला भी यूज किया. ED पैरेलल टू AB, ED एंड AB है. ओके, ये दोनों पैरेलल है. I want to find this angle. I can find this angle if I know the opposite angle, and ये opposite angle जो है ना, it is forming alternate angles with this angle EBA, ये वाला angle, because I'm given ED is parallel to AB. ये and ये parallel है, they are parallel with this transversal. ट्रांसवर्सल जा रहा है, Z फॉर्म कर रहा है, मतलब ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स है, मतलब एंगल DEB इज इक्वल टू एंगल EBA. एंगल EBA आई जस्ट फाउंड, सो एंगल EBA is equal to angle DEB, and once I find DEB I can easily find angle BCD. Okay, so यही वाला इंफॉर्मेशन यूटिलाइज होगा in finding BCD. Okay, so it's very easy. Now let us start with the solution. Now solution, first part angle EBA find करना है. EBA के लिए I'll consider the triangle AEB. Okay, I know angle EAB, I can find angle AEB, and therefore I can find the third angle. I am given EAB but AEB तो मुझे find करना पड़ेगा. So let us consider this diameter. We are given that AB is the diameter of the circle. Okay, and angle AEB is subtended by diameter AB on circumference of the circle. Therefore angle AEB is equal to 90 degrees, angle of semicircle. Okay, now AEB मिल गया, मतलब दो एंगल्स मिल गए. EAB I know is 63 degrees, it is given. Okay, now we'll proceed with the triangle. So in triangle AEB, angle AEB is 90 degrees, angle EAB is equal to 63 degrees. Now using the property of triangle, angle AEB plus angle EAB plus angle EBA, the angle that we have to find is equal to 180 degrees. SOMAT property, you have to write down full reason. SOMAT नहीं लिखना है. Sum of measures of angles of triangles is 180 degrees. Okay, AEB 90 है, this is 63 degrees plus angle EBA, sum is 180 degrees. Adding this 153 हो जाएगा. So we'll shift 153 on the other side, so 180 minus 153, so that gives 27. So angle EBA is 27 degrees. First part मिल गया. Now we have to find angle BCD. Now students, BCD के लिए we'll consider this cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral के लिए मुझे इसका opposite angle, I'll draw the quadrilateral once again. Okay, B, C, D, E. I need to find this angle, and this angle के लिए I need to know the opposite angle. Opposite angle मैं find कर सकती हूँ. Angle DEB and EBA, they are forming alternate angles. Okay, DE and AB, they are parallel, and this is the ट्रांसवर्सल. इट इज़ फॉर्मिंग अ जेड. जेड एनी फॉर्म में हो सकता है, ऐसे हो सकता है, ऐसे हो सकता है, ऐसे हो सकता है. ओके, ऐसे हो सकता है, एनी वे इट कैन बी लाइक दिस. ओके, सो ऑल्टरनेट एंगल्स है. सो ओवर हियर angle DEB I can easily find if I know EBA. I just found EBA, so DEB पता चल जाएगा. Okay, so first we'll consider alternate angles का property. For that we'll write down that these two are parallel okay, and they are forming alternate angles. Once we get DEB, we'll consider the quadrilateral and then find angle BCD. Now coming to second part, we know chord ED is parallel to AB, we are given. So chord ED is parallel to AB, okay, with transversal EB. Okay, so therefore DEB and EBA are alternate angles, therefore they are equal. Angle DEB is equal to angle EBA. Give reason alternate angles. Okay, EBA we just found is 27 degrees, so substitute the value, so DEB मिल गया. Now we'll consider this quadrilateral. अब ये quadrilateral पे focus करो. BCDE, ये quadrilateral. Now we are not given that this quadrilateral is cyclic quadrilateral, so we have to prove that this is cyclic. How? All the vertices are lying on the circumference of the circle, therefore this is a cyclic quadrilateral. Points B, C, D and E are lying on the circumference of the circle. Therefore, quadrilateral BCDE is a cyclic quadrilateral. Full word लिखना है. Now, using the property, cyclic quadrilateral का दो properties है, एक है exterior and another one is opposite angles वाला. So here we will be using opposite angles. BCD, उसका opposite angle is angle DEB. Angle BCD plus angle DEB, they are supplementary, that is sum is 180 degrees. You have to give reason opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So angle BCD plus angle DEB is 27 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So angle BCD is equal to 180 minus 27. Okay, so this will give 153. Okay, so angle BCD is equal to 153 degrees. So we found both the angles.